Question 7. If we start with the first letters in each pair, we have P, N, Q and O. From P to N is a jump backwards of 2 places. From N to Q is a jump forwards of 3 places. From Q to O is a jump backwards of 2 places. So the pattern is backwards 2 and forwards 3, and therefore we will need to jump forwards 3 from O to find the next letter. Forwards 3 from O lands us on the letter R, so the first missing letter in our missing pair then is R. Next, the second letters. We have F, K, P and U. From F to K is a jump forwards of 5 places. From K to P is another jump forwards of 5 places. And from P to U is a further jump forwards of 5 places. Therefore, the next jump will be a jump forwards of 5 places from U. Forwards 5 from U lands us on the letter Z, so the second letter in our pair is Z, making the full pair RZ. And we'd give our answer of RZ like this.